Hey guys, this is right here at Parkside. We're in a Wind Package EV6 Standard. Here at the moment we are driving down Parkside Drive just to get a feel of the vehicle. Wanted to give you guys a good close-up of what it's like being on the inside of one of these vehicles. This is an all-wheel drive, so it does have your heated and cooled seats with a heated steering wheel with the cold weather package. Great car, great power. 0 to 60 times are out of this world, and when you're talking all electric, it is nothing to go from 0 to that with no problem. Great feel, great space. Obviously with the EV6's release, it is one of the most technologically advanced electric cars that there is on the market. It's absolutely phenomenal. We're just showing you the drive. We're gonna stop here shortly, show you guys what the outside looks like, give you a little bit more detail. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back. So here we have a Gravity Blue 2023 EV6 Wind Package with the long range. It is all-wheel drive, so this one does give you 282 miles of range. Keep in mind with these vehicles, the range isn't extremely long as people would like them to be, but the benefits are the fast charging that you can. So on a full level 3 charger, you can charge this particular car in 210 miles in just about 18 minutes. There's plenty of level 3 chargers through ChargePoint as well and Electrify America, so if you're looking for those. On the outside, just want to go around, show you guys a little bit. 19-inch alloy wheels here for the most aerodynamic look on the outside. You're going to have great styling all the way around with the hatchback. It is technically considered a crossover. The push button door handles here, real nice and seamless on the outside. No pop-out door handles. Coming around to the back, you're going to have the nice dual wings, or the ducktail spoilers as I like to call them. You do have your charge port right here. Alrighty guys, now we're here at the back end. We just talked about the charger there. That is a DC fast charger. Back here in the back, you're going to have the manual folding rear seats, the power lift kit as well. Keep in mind these vehicles do tow 2,300 pounds if needed. Now, the great benefit about these cars is this is almost like a home generator. So once you have this plugged up in your house and it's fully charged, if you ever lose any power, you do have this here, which is going to be your reverse charger, as I like to call it. This allows you to plug up to the vehicle and plug in a household outlet and actually power your home like a small generator if needed. Great charge. You can have it cut off at any point in time if you're a little worried about completely having no charge at the end of it all. Now, as far as the ample space back here, fold the seats down, plenty of room. Pull both latches on both sides. Here, if you needed to, if you forget to pay your rent, you can easily sleep in the back, guys, okay? So sometimes you can prioritize your car payments over everything else. Now, coming around over here to the passenger side, still great styling all the way around. Your full LED tail light, but in the rear space, plenty of room. Folding these seats back up real quick, you can see I'm about 6 foot tall, 5'11" on a short date. I can sit back here, plenty of headroom, plenty of legroom, AC vents right here in the middle as well, and I do have a household outlet right here. Inside is built up with Meridian sound system, so obviously if I want to listen to my music, I will not struggle whatsoever. Guys, I want to pause it here, show you up front. You're going to see here, you're going to have your 2-level memory seats, like I said, Meridian sound system, which is a 14 speaker system. So when it comes to music, this is definitely one of the best sounding. Inside, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. You do have your on and off button right here in the center with your full gear selector. Really easy to get to. Wireless charger in use because my phone is always dead, but I'm always ready to pick up those phone calls if needed. Plenty of cup holder size, plenty of storage on the inside if needed, and then a bunch load of chargers down here. So you need to charge your phone, very, very easy. Full touch panel, 12.25-inch display for the infotainment and the gauge cluster. So everything's very easy to see at all times. Very bright LCD displays. You won't struggle whatsoever. Built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Come by, guys. Come here, test drive one today. We'll be happy to take care of you. Whenever you're ready, you'll have one in your driveway. See y'all soon.